great. It's Dr. K again. Y'all know me, but I want to introduce you guys to Dr. Tipler. He is in St. Louis, Missouri at Proficient Chiropractic. I have to show you guys what I call the Tipler adjustment. Y'all haven't seen nothing like this.
The Gonstead style. Gonstead style. For all the doctors out there, pay attention. Powerful adjustment here, though.
Just like my partner over there. Come to our office and see. Our population, you have to tell my feet. Yep. You will have unique.
Ooh.
You will have.
Yeah, that's the one.
That's the one.
That's the one.
That clears it out.
Yeah.
Life. Power turned on.
Absolutely.
Power of chiropractic.
Are you dead?
No.
Okay, cool.
That's safe. No rotation.